Students in pre-biomedical science, or PBS, recently did a sheep heart dissection.
For PBS, we are currently finishing up what's considered Unit 1, which has a ton of lessons. It's our forensic science unit, so we're trying to figure out what finally happened to Anna Garcia.
Right now we're doing like a murder scene, so we're investigating her body or like different suspects. So we did like lie detectors all the way to brain and blood flow.
Where she was found, what caused what, and what happened internally, like we're doing an autopsy.
The sheep heart fits into our autopsy of Anna Garcia. We use that because it's very close to human heart. And so we dissect it to see what a normal one looks like and find all the parts to it. Later on, we get to see some problem hearts with issues. And then we see Anna's heart and we compare to see if there's anything wrong with it.
What I like most would probably be just all the interesting things that you'll find, or just getting to mess with and see all the different things inside.
My favorite thing about dissections is kind of you get to learn about like the internals of like the human body and stuff. Like with the heart, you got to find out what was inside the heart.
Our second unit, which we'll start in a couple weeks, is more like a clinical care, like you're a doctor and you're trying to figure out vital signs and things like that and patient sicknesses.
For dissections, we haven't really done any others, and I'm not sure if we're going to do more when we go into the next unit, but I hope we do because it's interesting. I really like medicine and I want to go into nursing, so I think that just like learning different things about what we're doing right now is going to really help.
Someone said it was really fun. I decided to do it because I thought it'd be pretty easy.
If you are interested in taking pre-biomedical science class so you can do dissections like these, please talk to Mr. Lindsay or your school counselor to see if it's the right fit for you.